Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Intel Bluetooth driver and hit enter. From the results, locate the official Intel website and click on it. Once the page loads, find the appropriate driver for your system and click the download button. Now wait for the download to complete. The speed will depend on your internet connection, so be patient if it takes a while. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and locate the setup file. Double-click to open it. The installation wizard will launch. Follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Typically, you'll need to agree to the license terms. Select an installation type, such as Typical, Custom, or Complete, and then click Install. Wait for the process to finish, then click Finish to complete the installation. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.